kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make a simple and delicious hummus, or as my friend says, hummus, but with a twist. I'm going to show you how to make a beet hummus today that's super easy, delicious, and actually pretty good to look at because it's going to turn into like this really rich beet red. I've already pre-soaked and boiled my chickpeas. In this recipe here, I'm using 2 cups of chickpeas, and I'm going to do it with the help of my food processor. So, in go my 2 cups of chickpeas. Now, along with my chickpeas, this is a pretty standard hummus recipe. 2-3 cloves of garlic, but this is totally up to you. I've minced up some garlic already. The juice of 1 lemon will go in this. I'm going to add a little bit of salt just to season. I don't want to go too much on this. A little bit of fresh cracked black pepper will go into this. I don't mind doing a little coarser grind, up to you. Whatever it is you want to do is totally fine. I'm going to put in a little sriracha today because I like that kick. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon or so. Spice is good. It shouldn't feel like your colon bursts into flames. That's not fun. And lastly, and very importantly, a little bit of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. So at this point here, I'm just going to lock and load and bring this up and get this going. It's a little on the thick side, and I get that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water at this point just to kind of loosen it up. So I'm talking maybe 1/4 cup or so. .400 degrees for 1 hour, drizzled with olive oil, salt, pepper to taste, and a little bit of garlic, minced garlic, maybe a clove or 2. You want just that essence. So I'm going to add in here the equivalent of about 2 to 3 cups of beets. And watch what's going to happen to this once the beets are in there. Because once the beets are in there, it is going to be something that's going to be awesome. And you're going to get a little redness in your hands. That's fine. Not a big deal. So watch this now. Actually, you know what the hell? I'm going to add a little bit of more olive oil here. You know what? You don't want to chintzy on the olive oil. This is where, you know, it all kind of comes into play. Now, watch this. This is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And what did this take, like 4 minutes? It took like nothing. Absolutely, look at, oh. My friends, this is my beet hummus. It's fantastic, it's simple, and super delicious. And look at the color of this. Look at this color, it is absolutely fantastic. I hope you guys tried it. That's it for this episode. There's really nothing to this. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button. And don't forget to check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com, all one word. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.